report.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Screen sharing.
So, very good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. And we are here for our Google Meet for the 1 second. So, guys, shall I start?
Yes, we can start.
Yeah. So, yeah. Good afternoon. And here is the project True review of our batch, that is Fixitnow on-demand service platform. So our group members are Swati A, Tanuja O, myself Spoorthi, Nikat Kausar, and our project guide is Ravinandan Janu sir, project coordinator ma'am is Supriya ma'am, and HOD sir is Dr. Shivan Gowda GM sir. So in the review one, we have already discussed about what is Fixitnow, its introduction, its problem statement, and its objective, and all those things. In this particular review two, we'll mainly be discussing the three main topics, that is system design and architecture, that is how we design the system of our project, and also the architecture which we have been used. And second is the testing and validation, so testing against the various use cases, and validating its output, and also the application and usability, like how we'll use our project application and its accessibility and reliability. So the first topic, that is system design and architecture, will be continued by Nikat. Over to you, Nikat.
Thank you. Now I'm going to explain you about the system design and architecture. Put the PP. Okay. System design and architecture. Our project Fixitnow is an on-demand service platform that connects customers with nearby electricians, plumbers, and technicians in real time. The main goal of our system is to simplify home service bookings, reduce delays, and bring reliability through verified service providers. In functional requirements, it enables secure user registration, login, and real-time service booking with verified technicians, integrates a secure payment gateway for advance and final payments. In non functional requirements, scalability, such as scalability, security, and reliability and performance. Next slide. Modules and components. Fix it now follows a modular design pattern where the entire system is divided into well-defined independent components. This modularity makes development, maintenance, and debugging easier while ensuring each module can scale independently if needed. First, in user module, the user module handles registration, login, and profile management. It allows users to manage their personal details, view booking history, and track current service requests in real time. Second is the service provider module. This module is designed for technicians. They can register on the platform, upload their details, set service prices, and mark their availability. Next, third is the service booking module. This model helps in the booking model, connects both sides, the customers and the service providers. A customer selects the service type, location, and preference technician. The backend system checks for technician availability and confirms the booking. Real-time confirmation messages and notifications are sent on to both parties. Then is the pay next is the payment model. This ensures the commitment from both sides and prevents fraud and cancellation. Next is the review and rating module. After every completion of the services, customers can provide feedback and rate the technician. Next is the admin dashboard. The admin dashboard is the control center of the application. It allows the admin to monitor activities and users and handle technicians verification managers. Next is the tag architecture. Now let us discuss the architecture of our system. The Fixitnow follows a three-tier architecture. That is the presentation tier, application tier, and the data tier. In the presentation tier is what that user directly interacts to, and is built using Next.js, Tailwind, CSS, and Redux. And next is the application. The middle layer or the application layer contains the core business logic developed using Node.js and the Express.js. Next, last is the data tier. The data layer is powered by Supabase, which uses PostgreSQL as the underlying database. It stores all crucial information like user details, booking, and service history, payments, and feedback. Next will be continued by Swati. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Swati. As my teammates give a brief introduction about Fixitnow and its diagram flow, etc. And here I'm. What are the test and validation that we have done with our project, and like that we are going to provide the security to with our platform, like design the test case with the login, booking, payments, and the feedback models. Like only the valid email are been permitted to the dashboard. If it is an invalid login, then the wrong password and some of the error message will be displayed. And this has been tested, and after login, the booking is like once the login is valid, then further proceed to the booking. And then payment, as it some involves a major test where as of now we have been implemented WhatsApp payment. Like future we are planning for having online payment, and for the WhatsApp payment we have tested successfully. And when after that feedback model, once the service has been completed, the like like user can provide a feedback with their reviews. And tested the system with the various valid input and invalid input to check the error handlings. And we have ensured each and every module like admin module, customer module, and the seller module followed the expected workflow. And the example, as I told, the user login, like valid invalid email has been redirected to the dashboard. If it is invalid, it shows an error message. And once everything is successful, then further proceed to the service booking. Once this like booking is confirmed, then the feedback submission will be successful. Could you able to hear me? Spoorthi. So the different logins and its activities are being used in the
Swati,
Swati, there is a testifying issue.
we are
I'm
not
not
audible
getting.
your voice, Swati. Continue with it.
Continue now.
Shall I continue? Yes, continue.
Yes, continue.
Like this is the diagram where admin manager has everything,
Hello, everyone.
like the
I'm
security.
Tanuja.
He
Today
can.
I'm here to explain about applications and the usability of our project. The first I'm explain how we build the Fixit now and what are the technologies we used here. The first it is the front end. We used the Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Radix UI to create the fast, responsive, and the user-friendly interfaces. This helps the user easily booking and manage the repair services from any devices. And the backend is built with the Node.js and the Express.js, which handles the main logics like the user authentications and the service bookings and the technicians allocations and
the connecting everything through the REST APIs. And next one, it is the programming languages. Here we use the TypeScript and the JavaScript. The TypeScript, it is used for the type safety, and the JavaScript, it is used for the utility functions. This ensures the smooth integrations and reduce the bugs during the development. And the next one, it is a, yeah, database. Here use the Supabase in our project. It provides the secure data storage and the real-time updates, and the safe notifications for the users and the technicians. And next one, it is the API integrated. Here we connect the Google Map APIs for live technicians location tracking, and the Razorpay for the secure online transactions. And this gives the user live tracking and the smooth payment experience. And next, it is the user friendliness and accessibility. uh, Here we mainly focused on how easy and the convenient website is for the users. The first, it is the simple navigation. We designed the clear menus like find services, book now, my bookings, and supports. So even the first time users can move around easily. And next one, it is the responsive design. The layers are adjust properly on the mobile laptops and the desktops, giving the seamless experience everywhere. And next, it is the interactive UI. Here we used the lucid icons and the rechart visuals to make the interfaces engaging and the visually applying. And next, it is the quick actions. The user can do one click quick booking and log in or the logout and get real-time notifications for the booking confirmations and the technician's arrival. And next, it is accessibility. The site uses the readable font, good color contrast, and the simple layout to be usable by all, including people with the visual difficulties. And next one, it is the admin panel. There is also dashboard for managing the service providers, users, and the generating the report easily. And next, it is the real time applicability. The first, it is the problem solved. Many people are struggling to find out the reliable and the trusted professionals like plumber, painter, electricians for their services. The main solution is that the Fixit Now is the single platform that connect the customers and the service provider with the verified profiles and the rating. What are the benefits for this project is, it's time saving and built a trusted through verified listing and ensure the transparent payment. It also empowers the local workers by giving them digital visibility and the job opportunities. And next one, it is the scalability. The system can easily expand to more services like carpenter, cleaning, and the painting, etc. And next, it is the future scope. We are also planning to add the AI features for the smart service recommendation and automated scheduling, making the payment even more intelligent and the efficient in the future. This is about our project. First, further will continue by Spoorthi. Thank you.
So guys, there was a small technical issue with Swati, so she will explain those slides.
Okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience. As I say, some of the test which I have done for our platform, that is Fixitnow, and our platform consists of mainly three panels, that is admin model and customer model and the service provider model, that is a seller model as being displayed. And here admin model, like admin will undergo every activities, like he has in control of everything, both the service provider as well as a user. So he verifies the login and the registration functionality. Like a service provider, before he logs in, he needs to, before like before his profile is visible to the user, it must be verified by the admin. Like admin need to verify his document, and once he confirmed, his profile will be visible to the user. This is how admin will verify the service provider. And if anything went wrong with the user, he can also suspend the user. And testing, update, and maintaining the date labor, that is service provider database, and make sure that only the verified service provider are added to the system, and validate the removal processes when the labor resigns. And customer backslide. Spoorthi, previous slide. Okay. Customer model, like user used to first register and then login, and once it is done with a valid input, then it is redirected to the dashboard. And further, there will be visible of every service provider info, and they can book and confirm. Further, they can give a feedback. This has been tested successfully. And the next one is seller model, service provider model, and he need to give a valid input with the documents related to his work. And once it is verified by the admin, then his profile is fully activated, and the communication between the service provider and the admin take place. Next slide. Okay. This is the like validation result that we undergo, like booking confirmation. As I said, once the login input, valid input is done, redirected to dashboard, and the booking will be done. And payment updates, as of now we have implemented WhatsApp payment. And then and future plan, we have been planning for online payments. WhatsApp payment has been tested. And real-time display of available technicians, or the people who have been login, those profile will be visible to the users. And if they log out, there will be a not active of the profile of the service provider to the user. And maintaining of the correct database. Next slide. And this is a UML activity diagram of our project. As I said, there is the three main module: admin module, customer module, and the seller module. Admin module, they login, register, and maintaining the database of the labor. And they also have a control of a service provider. They update the website and verify the labor, adding them to the site, and remove the labor if there is any inconvenience, or if the service provider has been resigned. And the next one, customer model, that the user has to register, login, and search for the services, and they can book the service. This is how goes with the customer model. And service provider model, they need to give valid inputs, and uh, once it is approved by the admin model, and the further communication will take place. Further will be continued by Spoorthi.
So that's all, guys. That was the presentation part. So now we'll go for the demo of our project, like how we have designed the UI and the work. It's working. So I'll be showing it. So this is the homepage of our website, that is Fixitnow Quality Home Service. Just a click away. This was the UI, the popular service. Why to choose Fixitnow? The footer part. So yeah, this is the service page. So in the service page, we have mentioned the services which we are desired to provide. That is plumbing, electricians, home cleaning, painting services, gardening and landscaping, HVA services, handyman services, mobile car services, like how it works. So you have to choose the service, book and schedule, and get your service done. So this is all about the about page. That is about our Fix It Now and our story and our value. That is, we care for trust and safety, reliability, the customer first, and the quality assurance. And we have the contact page here. So in the contact page, if the users have any query, they can contact us through this page. So yeah, first the user need to log in. First the user need to register if he has not. If once he have registered, he can log in through his email ID and password. So when he log in, it will show that successful login, and the user will be displayed through his dashboard. In dashboard, the bookings and all those things will be shown. So yeah, book a service, like how to book a service, I will show it. First, they have to select a service category. We have been provided with a service category. They have to select it. Then next, so they have to choose the service provider based on their location and their rate experience. That is, the first user, he have 200 per hour. The next is 99 per hour, another 50 per hour. So you have to select one. Then next, then you have to select the date that I'll select for tomorrow, and you have to give the service title, like anything you what you are facing problem with, and you have to give the time, and this is the location. If you use this, it will currently fetch the current location from where you are booking. And the next is, and it will show the payment and confirmation, and you have to choose WhatsApp method payment. We have implemented the WhatsApp payment method though, so you have to choose that, and you have confirm booking. So once you have confirmed this booking, it shows your service request has been submitted and the provider will contact soon. So far we have implemented this much, and there is further implementation for admin panel and the service provider panel. We are working on it, and will complete it, and will let you know by review 3. So yeah, this was our meeting. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye. Ready, I stop.